I just found a brand new AI feature that lets you create full social media videos in seconds. You describe what you want and it builds the whole thing. Script, voiceover, B-roll, captions, everything. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what this feature is, how to use it step by step, and I'm gonna show you 3 use cases that could actually make you money, especially if you're starting an AI agency.
I'm Sean, and here, we don't just wash cars, we restore them to showroom glory.
Now, before I get into any of that, let me refresh my payment processor real quick, just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there we go. Over $400,000 in revenue, about 300 active clients, and we charge around $1,000 a month. That's where we're at right now. So here's what I'm gonna cover. First, I'm gonna walk you through this tool step by step so you actually know how to use it. Then I'm gonna show you 3 crazy use cases where this could help you land clients and make real money. And I'm not just gonna talk about it, I'm gonna show you everything on screen. All right, so the tool is Heygen. I already use Heygen for creating AI clones for myself and my clients. It's my favorite paid AI tool when I need real control over how avatars look and sound, but they just released this new feature called Video Agent, and I've been testing it a lot lately, and it's kind of blowing my mind. Because with Video Agent, you literally just describe the video you want and it goes off and builds the entire thing for you. Multi-scene, talking avatar, B-roll, music, captions, all of it in just a few minutes. So let me walk you through it real quick. When you open up Video Agent, the first thing you see is you can choose between vertical or landscape. That matters because if you're making content for Instagram Reels or TikTok, you want vertical. If it's for YouTube, go landscape. You can also set the length. You can do 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or up to 3 minutes. And if you need something longer, you just make a few clips and stitch them together in any editing app. Now, here's where it gets good. Over on the side, you can choose your assets. You can upload stuff from your device. You can pick from the public avatars that Heygen already has, or if you've already created your own AI avatar of yourself, which I have, you can select that. You can also pick your speaking voice. So I'm gonna select my avatar, pick my voice, and in the prompt, I'm just gonna type something like Sean as a real estate agent giving a helpful tip about selling your home. I'm gonna set this to 15 seconds. Make sure my avatar is selected and hit go. Now, before this finishes, here's the part that really surprised me. It doesn't just start generating right away. It actually builds out a plan first, like a blueprint. It shows you the topic, the audience it's targeting, the music style, the video length, the orientation, and then it auto-generates a full script based on what you typed in. It even shows you what avatar and voice it's using and tells you the captions are going to be enabled. And here's the thing, if you don't like something in that plan, you can click in and change it before it even starts building the video. Or you can just click continue and let it do its thing. I click continue because the plan looks solid. Now, while that's generating, let me show you something else that's kind of wild. I'm gonna open another window here. You don't have to use your own avatar for this. You can upload literally any photo and turn it into a talking video. So let me show you. I uploaded this photo of me and I'm gonna type something like Sean as an auto detailing business owner giving a 15-second monologue about why this auto detailing business is the best in the city. And just like before, it builds the plan, I click continue and it goes off and creates it. That's 2 videos generating right now from like 30 seconds of actual work. That's crazy to me. While this is generating, I wanna mention this. Inside Heygen, you can do a lot more than just Video Agent. You can do photo to video. You can create your own avatar from scratch. You can clone your own voice. You can translate videos into over 175 languages. There's a ton in here. But Video Agent is the feature I've been experimenting with the most lately because of how fast it makes the whole process. All right, so the first video is done. Let me make this full screen and show you what it actually created. Want more listings? Steal this strategy. Try posting 1 neighborhood clip every single day. Tell people to DM value for an estimate. Most agents focus on houses. You focus on problems. Comment listings for my scripts. Look at that. It wrote the script on its own. It created captions automatically. And it even generated B-roll footage that matches what the avatar is talking about. Like when the script mentions listings, it shows houses and for sale signs. All AI generated. I didn't pick any of that. It just figured it out. Now here's the other really important part. If you don't like something, you don't have to start over. You can click edit and now you're inside their full editor. From here, you can change the music. You can swap the avatar. You can change the voice. You can rewrite the script. You can swap out the B-roll for your own photos or generate new visuals. You can change what the captions look like, the font, the colors, and you can do all of this scene by scene, which is huge. So even after the AI builds everything for you, you still have full control. And if you actually click into the studio, there's even more. You can translate the whole thing into other languages. You can change what kind of media is being generated. You can add different elements and backgrounds. You can layer things in. You can adjust every single scene individually. It's honestly more powerful than I expected when I first started testing this. Now let's check out the second video. This is the one I made from just a photo. Want the best auto detailing in the city? Look no further. We treat every car like a masterpiece using only premium products. From ceramic coatings to deep cleans, our precision is unmatched. Experience the shine. Book now and see the difference. See that? It matched the voice to the face on its own. I didn't even tell it what voice to use. It just figured it out. The movements look natural. The background has motion in it. And this was from a single photo and a 1-sentence prompt. Think about that for a second. You could take any photo and turn it into a talking video in a couple minutes. So now we're using Heygen as our go-to paid tool when we need more control over AI clones. But for managing the whole agency and all our clients, I use a software called High Level. We use it to schedule and publish our clients' video and to set up automations to help our clients turn social media engagement into real leads and appointments. Usually, if you go to their website, you get a 14-day free trial, but you can use my link in the description below to get access to a special 30-day free trial. And when you use my link, you'll also get access to my AI Business Blueprint course that walks you through various agency business models. Links in the description. All right, now let me show you 3 use cases where this could actually make you money. This is where it gets really good. Use case number 1 is creating AI clone content for local business owners. This is the hottest offer I recommend right now if you're starting an AI agency. What you do is you create an AI clone of the business owner and make it look like them on social media, giving tips, talking about their services, sharing behind the scenes stuff. We create all kinds of social media content for our clients at the agency, but AI clones are the easiest to sell and the most impressive to show. And now with Video Agent, instead of setting up every video manually, you can just type a prompt and let it build the whole thing. That saves you a ton of time, especially when you're managing multiple clients. And here's how I recommend getting those clients in the first place if you're just starting out. You create an AI clone of the business owner. You make it look like them, sound like them, and give tips about their actual business. Then you reach out and say, hey, I made this AI video of you, want to see it? That gets you the meeting right there. On the call, you show them a small sample of the AI clone content, and they're usually blown away because they've never seen anything like it. Now, if you don't have any clients yet, you offer them a 14-day free trial. That gives you time to show them more content, build trust, and prove it works. Once you've got experience and some case studies under your belt, you skip the trial and just close them right there. You charge $1,000 a month for 3 posts a week. And when you clone the business owner, they love it because their friends and family start hitting them up about it. It basically sells itself after that. For us at this point, we get hundreds of inbound leads every month, so we don't do outreach anymore. But that's exactly how you build up to that level. I'm not some tech genius, by the way. I didn't go to school for any of this. I graduated college, sent out hundreds of job applications, applied to literally anything, and kept getting rejected. I felt completely stuck. Like I did everything I was supposed to do, and it still wasn't working. So I started figuring stuff out on my own from my bedroom, had a bunch of side hustles that went nowhere. And then I found this. If I can figure this out after all of that, you can absolutely figure this out too. Now, use case number 2 is turning PowerPoints and PDFs into videos. And this one is something a lot of people sleep on. Inside Heygen, you can actually upload a PowerPoint or a PDF, and it'll turn the whole thing into a video. You can choose how the background works. You can have it use the slides as editable templates, and you can either paste in your own script, upload speaker notes, or have the AI auto-generate a script for you. So let me show you. Let's say you got a slide deck that breaks down something like an Instagram algorithm update or a social media strategy for a specific industry. You download that as a PowerPoint, come into Heygen, upload it, and it turns it into a fully produced video walkthrough. And you can preview what the voiceover is going to sound like before it even generates the video. If you don't like the voice, you can change it. You can adjust the speed. You can adjust the volume. You can even have it switch between different voices throughout the video. Then you hit generate and it creates the whole thing. Now think about how you could use this for your agency. You could create onboarding walkthroughs for new clients. You could make training videos for your team. You could even take screenshots of how you do certain things in your process and upload those as slides and have Heygen build a full walkthrough video. That's insane for scaling. Use case number 3 is UGC style product ads. And if you've got any clients who sell physical products, this is a game changer. Inside Heygen, you can actually create UGC style ads using AI. Here's how it works. You upload a photo of the product, then you pick which AI avatar you want to be the person talking about it. Then you hit generate combinations and it blends the avatar with the product, so it looks like they're actually holding it or interacting with it. So let's say you pick a pair of shoes, you pick one of the avatars, it generates the combination. Now this person is holding the shoes and it looks completely real. Then you write a quick script, or you can let the AI generate one, and then it creates a full UGC style video of this AI person showing off the product and talking about it. That's insane, right? Even the way the avatar interacts with the product looks realistic, and this is something you could easily offer to clients who sell physical products. Think about it. You charge them $1,000 a month for their regular social media content, and then you upsell them on ad videos on top of that. They're already working with you, they already trust you, and now you can make these product videos for them without a camera, without a studio, without hiring anybody. Now you've got 3 ways to use Heygen's video agent to either grow your agency or start one from scratch. Number 1, create AI clone content for local business owners. That's the hottest offer right now and the easiest to sell. Number 2, turn PowerPoints and PDFs into professional video walkthroughs. Use that for onboarding, training, or even client deliverables. And number 3, make UGC style product ads for clients who sell physical products. Stack that as an upsell on top of your core offer. And most of the AI tools I use for creating content don't cost anything. ChatGPT for ideas, Nano Banana Pro for images, Sora videos, and Claude for writing are all free. The paid tool I use the most is Heygen for when I need more control over AI clones. And for managing the whole agency and all 300 clients, that's high level. If you want my full AI business blueprint course, all my templates, all my resources, and a free trial of the tools I use, just go to SeanStanberry.com. It's all in the description. Coming up next, I have a video that breaks down how we use Sora for free to make AI videos. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.